Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn karate at home, step by step. First, designate a clear, safe area in your home for training. Next, research fundamental karate stances and basic techniques using reliable online resources. Always start your sessions with a thorough warm-up and stretching routine to prepare your body and prevent injury. Once warmed up, focus on mastering foundational techniques. Practice basic punches like the straight punch, ensuring proper form and power. Then, move on to essential blocks such as the rising block to develop defensive skills. Incorporate simple kicks like the front kick into your routine, aiming for precision and balance. After individual techniques, begin combining them into short, fluid sequences. Explore and practice simple karate forms, also known as katas, which are prearranged movements. These forms help you understand how techniques connect. Concentrate on smooth transitions and maintaining balance throughout each combination, building muscle memory and coordination. Consistency is key to progress in home karate training. Establish a regular practice schedule, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consider recording your sessions to review your form and identify areas needing improvement. If possible, connect with experienced martial artists online for feedback and guidance to refine your techniques.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.